Hi everyone, it's Jade from Sweet Softies. I'm probably sounding a little nasally today because I have a cold, but hope you can still understand me fine. I'm sharing my newest Amigurumi creation, which is Tori the Turtle. She is a free pattern on my blog, so be sure to check it out if you want to make her too. I'll link that in the description box below. There will also be an ad-free PDF pattern for purchase if you want to support me as the designer and have a printable copy of the pattern. So let's take a look at little Tori here. Tori the Turtle is a very quick and easy to work up amigurumi pattern. She is beginner friendly and you will only need to know the simple basic amigurumi stitches such as magic ring, single crochet, increase and decrease, and crocheting in back loops. As you can see, she has a shell that is dual toned. It's completely worked in one piece from top to bottom. The head and the 4 flippers are crocheted separately and sewn on. And she is lovely in medium weight yarn here. A good size if you want to put her in the palm of your hands. But if you want to crochet her in other fibers, such as thinner yarn for keychain size, or if you want to use blanket yarn or velvet yarn, I'm sure she would look absolutely adorable and soft too. Let's have a spin around. Here's her belly. Cute little underside. And her shell is a clean slate, so you can go ahead and embroider designs on if you'd like. She would also look really lovely with variegated yarn and having some self-striping yarn to show the different shades. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you'll enjoy crocheting her too, and happy crafting. Bye now.